All right, so this question asks us, what do increasing our marginal opportunity costs mean, and what are the implications for the shape of the PPF, or the production possibilities frontier? So I'm going to start with a sample PPF. Let's say in this country, we'll call it country A. In country A, I can make one of two things. I can make bananas, or I can make apples. Draw that out. So let's say I can make a maximum of 10 apples or 8 bananas. Now, in this country, there are going to be some fields that are better suited for producing bananas than apples. We might live in, maybe this is a big country, some parts are tropical, some parts of the country are more subtropical or even almost towards the Arctic. So, for instance, it'd be a lot easier to produce bananas in Florida than it would to produce apples. But it would also be easier to produce apples in New York than it would be to produce bananas. So because of this, we say that we have increasing marginal opportunity costs. So that means if I'm right here, my marginal opportunity cost is going to be small because it's going to be easy for me to trade. We can just say one banana for what could be very reasonably 5 apples. But because of this curve, the production possibilities curve restricts where we can be on our basket of goods. So even though this might be the economically ideal point, all of these points set the limit. So if I wanted 10 apples, I would have to give up these 7 bananas. So increasing marginal opportunity costs just means that this curve is what we call bowed out from to the right from the origin. So that means essentially the slope, when we draw the slope with red, your slope is increasing. Do you see that? So the curve is steepening. So basically imagine it like a half circle. And again, this is because the marginal opportunity cost, or the cost for you to trade one banana for one apple or many more bananas, however many bananas you give up to get more apples is your increasing marginal opportunity cost.